In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Skype account permanently. We'll walk through the process in a web browser, so you don't need the desktop app. Take your time with each screen and follow along carefully so you know exactly what to expect before your account is closed. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Skype website. In the top right corner, click Sign In. If you're using a shared computer or you have multiple Microsoft accounts, double check that you're signing into the correct one. Enter your email or username along with your password and sign in to access your Skype account. Once you're in, click your profile icon at the top right. If you see an option to use Skype online, select it to open the web version. Next, click the three dots next to your username and choose Settings. This is where you'll manage your account details. In Settings, go to Account and Profile. Here, find and select Close Your Account. This takes you into the closure flow provided by Microsoft since Skype is part of your broader Microsoft account. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Click Verify Your Identity, then choose how you want to receive the verification code, email, or phone based on what's linked to your account. Retrieve the code, enter it carefully, and click Verify. This step ensures only the rightful owner can request closure. Now review the important information on the screen. Your account is not deleted instantly, it's marked for closure and will be permanently removed after 60 days. During that period, you'll lose access to services connected to this Microsoft account, including Outlook or Hotmail, OneDrive, and Xbox services and subscriptions. Make sure you're comfortable with that impact before moving forward. When you're ready, click Next. You'll see several confirmation boxes. Check each one to acknowledge you understand what closing your account means. Select a reason for leaving from the list provided. Then click Mark Account for Closure. Keep the browser open until you see confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion. From here, there's nothing more you need to do. Your account will remain in the closure state and will be permanently deleted after 60 days. One final tip: if you change your mind within those 60 days, simply log back into your account. That action cancels the closure and restores access. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.